Well guys and gals, I was gonna do my intro back in the bush where I was hunting, but my freaking camera got too cold. Very cold day. Check out this video, it's pretty awesome. This is an unexpected hunt, but it was very good. I'm gonna get back in the vehicle, warm up, go home, have some breakfast. Enjoy. Dang it, I missed him. I missed the one anyways. Yes! Man, I hope this camera's working. Well, good morning everyone. I got out pretty early in that tree stand this morning. It was, I think, my car said -5 Fahrenheit, so I think that's something like -21 Celsius, give or take. But anyways, I was getting so cold I was about ready to go get out of the stand and go home, warm up for a while. And I seen a coyote off in the distance. So I just started doing that. Sure enough, he started coming, and I looked, and there was another freaking coyote behind him. So I let him come up to maybe, I don't know, it's maybe 50 yards, maybe even a little closer. They stood there, hoping they'd come a little closer, but they got scared, so they started turning around, gave him one more squeak. The big one stopped. I shot him with my 300 Win Mag 180 grain shell. I think it just tore right through him. He's dead, but he was jumping around there for a minute. The other guy took off. I was able to stop him just for a second, but I hate my freaking 300. It's too much, and I pulled off and flinched. But I missed him still. One coyote's down. That means more deer are going to be alive next year. Let's go climb down, take a look at him. So pumped. Alright, that's where I was sitting. Coyotes are right over there. Probably not even 50 yards. So excited. Let's go take a look. Somehow I'm not cold anymore. You can see these things have been coming by here pretty often. Look at this. They've been marking their territory right there. come sit out back in this bush this afternoon with my brother-in-law and my younger brother. Oh, that is a nice coyote. That's what a 300 Win Mag does to a coyote. Beauty. Well, guys, this is definitely not how I've seen the morning going, but still awesome. This thing definitely needs to die. There's way too many of them around this year, and depending on what kind of winter we have, they can do a real number on the deer. We get a hard snow cover, these guys can run across, the deer can't, and they just absolutely decimate the numbers. Also, springtime. When they're giving birth, they're real bad, but this guy's gonna get skinned out. I know he's got a pretty big hole blown in him. 300 Win Mag will definitely do that, but still get a few bucks for him. So awesome. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I should actually do some coyote hunts in the future. I've never actually properly hunted just for coyotes. It was pretty freaking cool, just giving them the squeak, and they came right in. Just too bad I didn't get that second one. If I'd had my 243, it would have been down. Shot so many deer and coyotes and foxes with that gun, but anyways. Thank you for watching. I'll probably make another video this afternoon deer hunting. That'll be up soon as well, but have a good one.